Hey everyone, Chelsea here, and today I'm going to be starting to document my fitness journey. I know that there are a lot of people that do this kind of thing, so I wanted to kind of try it out and see what happens. I wanted to get serious about my health. So in order to do that, I figured I'd have to change my eating habits, obviously. So today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit smoothie, and this one is actually very simple. I created the recipe myself. It's really delicious. And what I have here in the blender already, because you want to put your liquids in first, I have a half a cup of fat-free, lactose-free milk. Tastes the same as regular milk. And then I have one container of Oikos 000 vanilla yogurt. So now I'm going to add in about probably 5 strawberries, and I just get the Walmart brand because they're super cheap. And then I have some frozen peaches, and I'll probably put 3 or 4 slices of those in here. Some of them are stuck together. And then I'm going to do 1/8 of a cup of frozen raspberries. And again, these are all whole fruits. Anyway, okay, so now I'm going to use some old-fashioned oats because we need a little bit of protein and we need a little bit of carbs. So I'm going to put 1/8 of a cup of oats. And if you want to add sweetener, that's up to you. I don't need any of that, so I'm going to skip out on that. So let's see here. So I'm going to turn this on, and it's going to be a little bit loud for a second, so. And sometimes you have to kind of like take it off. These peaches are not wanting to mix. Did I not add enough milk? And it is optional if you want to add ice to it. For right now, I'm not going to add any ice because I don't want to clog it up anymore. All right. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And like I said, if you want to use ice, that's up to you, but we used frozen fruit instead, so we shouldn't have to use ice. Unless you prefer. Oh my gosh, I think it made like the perfect amount. I'm so excited. Okay. That's really good. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Chelsea, and this is how to make a strawberry raspberry peach smoothie. And it's healthy, low calorie, and yeah, let the journey begin.